Hi students. Today I would like to discuss about combinations. So in the last classes we were discussing about permutations. Permutation is number of arrangements in how many ways you can arrange things when the order is important. See, there are three students, Gopal, Sanket and Praveen. Three students. I want to select two students. Have to select two students for a badminton match. So the options I have, I can select Gopal and Sanket, or I can select Gopal and Praveen, or I can select Sanket and Praveen. If I select Praveen and Sanket, it is the same thing only. So here you can see that the order is not important. So you can select in three ways. And this kind of selection, this kind of arrangements. It is known as combinations. So here also arrangements, but the order is not important. Selecting two students for playing badminton. If you select Gopal and Sanket or Sanket and Gopal, it is the same selection. In the same way, if you select Gopal and Praveen or Praveen and Gopal, it is the same selection. So we can symbolically write it like this. आपके पास n objects है, n objects. Then you have to take r at a time. How many ways you can select? It is represented as NCR. NCR. Permutation का NPR था इधर NCR. NCR मतलब number of combinations. Number of combinations of n objects taken R at a time. See, there is no difference between permutation and combination. Both are arrangements, but only difference is in permutation, the order is important. In combination, the order is not important. Out of these three students, if you are selecting two students as class captain and vice captain, the order is important because Gopal is captain, Sanket is vice captain. It is one case. Sanket is captain, Gopal is vice captain. It is another case. So there the order is important. So while doing problems, you have to make sure whether the problem is of permutation or it is of combinations. If the order matters, it is permutation. If the order doesn't matter, it is combination. So there is a formula NCR. It is En factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. N factorial divided by R factorial into N minus R factorial. So for this problem, you can see that three students, you have to select two students. So 3C two ways. As per formula, it is 3 factorial n factorial divided by r factorial 2 factorial into 3 minus 2 n minus r factorial. So which is equal to 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 factorial is 1. So you can see that this 2 into 1 cancel हो जाएगा. 23 upon 1 which is 3. And you can see that there are three situations: GS, GP, SP. So this is known as basically combinations. Number of combinations of n objects taken R at a time. NCR. The formula is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. Now I'll show you some important points relating to this. Suppose you are finding 9C3. So as per the formula, this is 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 9 minus 3, 6 factorial. So 9 factorial can be written as 6 factorial into 7 into 8 into 9 divided by 3 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial cancel हो जाएगा, 3 and 9 cancel हो जाएगा, it will be 3, 2 and 8 cancel हो जाएगा, that will be 4. So you can see that it is 7 into 4 into 3. 7 into 4 into 3, which is equal to 7 into 4, 28. 28 into 3. Which is equal to 84. So now I will tell you one shortcut to directly do this. What you have to do is, see, 9C3 is equal to, so you have to start from 9 and it is 3, so you have to move 3 unit backwards. 9 into 8 into 7 divided by, so whenever it is 9C3, you have to start from 9. In the numerator you have to start from 9, and in place of r it is 3, so you have to move 3 unit backwards. So 9 into 8 into 7. The denominator you have to start from 1 and you have to move 3 units forward. 1 into 3 into 1 into 2 into 3. So that you will get the same thing here also. It is same as above step. You can see that 2 and 8 cancels, it is 4. 3 and 9 cancels is 3. So 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 7, which is equal to 84. So instead of using formula, this is a little more easier for you. You can do it a little fast. Say another example, if I say 7C2. So you have to start from 7, move 2 units backwards. So 7 into 6 divided by denominator, start from 1, move 1 unit, 2 unit up, 1 into 2. So 2 and 6 cancels, this is 3. So 7 into 3, which is equal to 21. So you can do that directly. That is one easiest method. Now, another thing I want to let you know. So you know that NCR is equal to n factorial, number of combination of n objects taken r at a time. So n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So that implies if you multiply with r factorial, so you'll get like this: r factorial into NCR, which is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. And n factorial divided by n minus r factorial is nothing but NPR. So you can say NPR, number of permutation of n objects taken r at a time, it is same as r factorial into NCR. This is another point I would like to let you know. Another point I want to tell you is NC0. Without using formula, we can say NC0, number of combination of n things taken 0 at a time. Means आपके पास n objects है, how many ways you can select 0 objects? How many ways are there? There is only one way. Don't select anything. That's only one way. So NC0 is 1. So if you use the formula also, then only you will get this. Then also you will get the same thing. NC0 is equal to n factorial divided by 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. That is n factorial divided by 0 factorial is 1. 1 into n minus 0 is an n factorial. So n factorial by n factorial, which is equal to 1. But there is no need to use the formula. We can easily say आपके पास n ऑब्जेक्ट्स है, उसमें से आपको 0 ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट करना है तो एक ही वे है, कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट सेलेक्ट मत करो. दैट इज अ वन वे. So NC0 is equal to 1. Then another point is NCR and NCR के जगह n minus r, both are same. For that means जैसे 7C5 and 7C5 के जगह r के n minus r, so 7 minus 5, that is 7C2. So these are equal. 7C5 and 7C2 are equal. We'll check it. So 7C5, as I told you, easiest way is 7 से start कर देना, 5 units back आ जाना. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 से start करके 5 units आ गए. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Now you can see that 3 into 4 into 5, 3 into 4 into 5 cancels. 2 and 6 cancels 3, so the answer is 21. Then 7C2. 7C2, 7 से start कर देना, 2 unit back, so 7 into 6, 1 से start करके 1 unit आगे. So which is 6, 2 divide करेगा 3, 7 into 3, 21. You can see that both are same. So that is, this is an important property. NCR and NCN minus R both are same. So इसमें से और एक important property आपको मिलते हैं. NCA and NCB. If they are equal, if NCA is equal to NCB, number of combination of n objects taken A at a time, and number of combination of m objects taken B at a time, if they are equal, that implies A का option either A and B should be equal, or दूसरा option A plus B should be n. So the above step you can see that R and n plus R. You can see that here, if you add R plus n minus R, देखो R and minus R cancel हो जाएगी, you will get n. So 7C5 and 7C2 are same. You can see that 5 and 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. So that is what it says. NCA is equal to NCB, then A and B are equal, or A plus B should be equal to n. This is another important property of combinations. One more property I want to tell you related with the combinations. It is like this. NCR plus NCR minus 1, which is same as n plus 1 C R. I will explain with the example. इसका मतलब ऐसे है कि 7C5 plus 7C R minus 1, 5 minus 1, 4. 7C5 plus 7C4. It is same as n plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. C5. We'll check it. 7C5, as I told you, 7C5 is same as 7C 7 minus 5, 2. ऐसे लिखेंगे तो थोड़ा इजी होगा, क्योंकि अदरवाइज 7 से शुरू करके 5 डिजिट पीछे लिखना था. बट हियर you just start with 7, you write 2 units पीछे. 1 into 2, which is equal to 21. 7C4. 7C4 is same as 7C3. 7 minus 4, 3. So 7 into 6 into 5. You can use the formula also. 1 into 2 into 3. 2, 3 cancels. 7 into 5, 35. So you can see that this is 21 plus 35. We'll check what is 8C5. 8C5, which is same as 8C3. 8 minus 5, 3. So 8 से शुरू करके 8 into 7 into 6 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So you can see that 2 into 3, 6, 6 and 7 into 8, 56. There go 21 plus 35, it is 56. It is correct. So that's the another property, NCR plus NCR minus 1. It is same as N plus 1 CR. This is another property of combination. 7C5, as an example, 7C5 plus 7C4. It is same as 8C5. So another way, जैसे one more example, ऐसे बोलेंगे तो जैसे 11C6 plus 11C5. It should be same as 12C6. So that's the property. NCR plus NCR minus 1 is equal to N plus 1 CR. These are some of the properties of combination. Now we will go to the problems. Coming to the questions. Look at the first question. NC2 is equal to NC8. Find NC2. So NC2 find करना है तो आपको N का वैल्यू चाहिए. So आपको पता है NCA is equal to NCB है तो that implies N should be is equal. Either A and B are equal, but here A and B are not equal. One is 8 and another one is 2. They are not equal. Or N should be A plus B. So here, therefore, here N is equal to 2 plus 8, which is 10. तो हमें चाहिए था NC2. NC2 मतलब 10C2. You can use the formula, otherwise start from 10, 2 units back, 10 into 9. Start from 1, 2 unit आगे. So 2 and 10 cancel 5, 9 into 5, 45. That's the answer. Look at the next question. Out of this, we will do 2 questions. Out of these 2, we'll do only 1 question. Look at the first question. 2n C3, so it is 2n C3 divided by number of combination of 2n objects, n C3 is equal to 12 upon 1. As I told you, 2n C3, either you can use formula, otherwise start from 2n, move 3 unit back, 2n into 2n minus 1 into 2n minus 2 divided by 1, start from 1, move 2 units, 3 units forward, 1 into 2 into 3 divided by NC3. Start from n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 divided by 1 into 2 into 3, which is equal to 12. So you can see that these denominators will cancel. Then you can see you can take 2 common. So either 2 into you will get n minus 1. And that n minus 1 and n minus 1 will be cancelled. Then 1 en will be cancelled. Here 1 n will be cancelled. So remaining आपको मिलेगा, that implies आपको ऐसे मिलेगा 2 into 2, 4 into 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2, which is equal to 12. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 is equal to 12. Or that implies 4 into 2n, 8n minus 4 is equal to cross multiply 12n minus 24, और 810 राइट साइड में जाएगा तो -24 राइट साइड लेफ्ट साइड में आएगा, -4 प्लस दैट इज 20 इज इक्वल टू 12n minus 4, that is 12 minus 8, that is 4n is equal to 20. So from there you will get n is equal to 5. The value of n is equal to 5. Look at the question number 3. How many chords can be drawn through 2 points on a circle? 21 points on a circle. So you have 21 points in a circle. So for example, okay, just for a sample. So 21 points are here on the circle. Like this. Say for I just draw one example only. So here A and B. Out of these 21, using these 21 points, how many chords can be drawn? So we know that chords matlab, it is a line touching 2 point, line joining 2 points on the circle. Is AB is a chord. So here that means for drawing a chord, you have to select 2 points from the given 21 points. Now next question is whether it is permutation or combination. And you can see that if you select the point A or B, or B and A, the chord will be same. So the order is not important. So that means the number of chords is equal to 21C2. Means number of chords, for drawing a chord we need to select 2 points. So actually it was, question is something like this: how many ways you can select 2 points from the given 21 points? So which is 21C2, which is equal to 21 into 20 divided by 1 into 2. 20 and 2 cancel, 10, 210. That means 210 chords can be drawn. Now, how many ways can a team of 3 boys and 3 girls can be selected? So एक टीम चाहिए, उस टीम में हमें चाहिए 3 boys and we need 3 girls. Now available members, availability, 5 boys and 4 girls हमारे पास है, इसमें से आपको टीम बनाना है. So 3 boys को कैसे select करेंगे? So we can select 3 boys from 5 boys in 5C3 ways. We can select 3 girls from 4 girls in 4C3 ways. And the order is not important because you're selecting A and B and A, it is same. The order doesn't matter. That is why we are using combination. So 5C3 ways we can select 3 boys from 5 boys. 4C3 ways we can select 3 girls from 4 girls, and दोनों together, fundamental principle of counting, दोनों together can happen in 5C3 into 4C3 ways. Now you have to multiply and you have to find the answer. First of all, you have to find 5C3. 5C3 is starting from 5. 5 into 4 into 3 divided by 1 into 2 into 3. So 3 3 cut hoga, it is 10. So which is equal to 10 into. Similarly 4C3. 4C3 same as 4C1 as I told you. 4 minus 3, 1. So 4C1 is same as 4. 4 into 4 से शुरू करना 1 back. So 4 by 1 which is equal to 4. So it is 10 into 4 which is equal to 40 ways. That means you can select, or you can have a team of 3 boys and 3 girls from 5 boys and 4 girls in 40 ways. There are 40 ways are there. You don't need to write all those 40 ways, just to know that there are 40 ways. Now we will go a little fast. See, find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red ball, 5 white ball and 5 blue balls if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. So आपके पास जो अवेलेबिलिटी है, आपके पास जो balls है, 6 red, you have 6 red, 5 white and 5 blue. These many balls are available. From this you have to, so total 16 balls available. From this you have to select 9 balls. आपको select करना है 9 balls. But उन्होंने ऐसे condition बोला है कि each selection contains 3 balls of each color. That means आपको चाहिए 3 red, 3 white and 3 blue. So how many ways is it possible? 3 red balls. How many ways you can select 3 red balls? आपके पास 6 red ball है. You can select 3 red balls in 6C3 ways. You have 5 white balls, so you can select 3 white balls in 5C3 ways. You have 5 blue balls, and you can select in 5C3 ways 3 blue balls. So now all together, fundamental principle of counting. First event can happen in 6C3 ways. Second event can happen in 5C3 ways. Third event can happen in 5C3 ways. Then 3 together can happen in 6C3 into 5C3 into 5C3 ways. And you just find the answer. Remaining you can do just find the values and multiply. Next question, look at determine the number of 5 card combinations from a deck of 52 cards. So total 52 cards are available, 52 cards. So you need 5 cards are needed. And it says is if there is exactly 1 ace in each combination. So 1 card should be ace. If this should be ace. Remaining 4 cards can be anything, no problem, other than ace. Because exactly 1 ace, So 1 card should be ace. And other 4 cards are any card other than ace. So how many ways are there? So you can see that total 4 ace. 4 ace से एक ace आपको choose करना है. So there is 4C1 ways. And other cards are 48 cards are there other than, so इधर 4 ace रहते हैं, बाकी 48 are other cards other than ace. So उसमें से हमें चाहिए 4 cards. So that is possible in 48 C4 ways. Then that means ace can happen in 4C1 ways. Other 4 cards can be happen in 48 C4 ways. Then दोनों together can happen in 4C1 into 48 C4 ways. Calculation you have to do. We have to find the value of 4C1. 4C1 is 4. Then 48 C4. Then multiply and find the answer. Now, 7th question. In how many ways can one select a cricket team of 11 from 17 players in which 5 players can bowl? Each cricket team of 11 must include exactly 4 bowlers. So आपके पास 17, you have 17 players. 17 players are there. Out of these 17 players, 5 can bowl. 5 players can bowl. That means others can't bowl. Only 5 bowlers. So you have to make a team. You have to make a team of 11. But condition is there. 11 में 4 bowlers, exactly 4 bowlers चाहिए, 4 bowlers compulsory, so 7 others. So 4 bowlers, how many ways you can select 4 bowlers? You can see that only 5 out of 17 players, only 5 bowlers are there, so you have to select 4 from them. That is possible in 5Z4 ways. So 4 bowlers can be selected from the 5 bowlers in 5Z4 ways. Then remaining 7 players are needed because you have to make a team of 11. Remaining 7 players are needed. So that you have to find from the remaining 12 players, because for 5 bowl model 12 plus 5. 12 plus 5 or 5 bowlers, that means remaining is 12 players are there. Out of that 12 players, you need 7. That can be possible in 12C7 ways. So together, fundamental principle of counting. So you can make a team of 11 in such a way that include exactly 4 bowlers is 12C7 into 5C4. Next question. You have to find the answer. Next question. A bag contains 5 red and 5 black and 6 red ball. So आपके पास एक बैग है, उसके अंदर 5 black ball and 6 red balls are there. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black and 3 red balls. 2 black and 3 red balls should be selected. So obviously 2 black can be selected in 5C2 ways. 3 red balls can be selected in 6C3 ways. Dono together can selected in 5C2 into 6-3 ways. And the last question. How many ways can a student choose a program of 5 courses? उनको 5 courses choose करना है. 9 courses are available. Or 9 subjects are available. ऐसे सोचो. So 9 courses available. So इसमें से have to select 5 courses. Out of 9 subjects, you have to select 5 subjects. 2 specific courses are compulsory. 2 are compulsory. So you don't have any option. They say English and Hindi compulsory. So that means you have to take, there is no other option. You don't have any choice. So how many ways you can select 5 subjects? So 5 subjects so उसमें से 2 compulsory हो गए, you can't do anything. So remaining 3 subjects, how many ways you can select 3 subjects? And 9 से 2 subjects compulsory किया तो बाकी 7 subjects से, so उस 7 subjects से आपको 3 subjects choose करना है. That is possible in 7C3 ways. That's all. So that's all about combinations. So in one more class we will do some general questions from miscellaneous exercise, and I will send you the miscellaneous exercises also, the answers. Okay, so that's all the concept from this chapter, permutations and combinations. I hope you understand it very well. Thank you.